Okay, you're going to want to pay attention to this. The world of AI just got a really, really big upgrade. We're talking about giving it the keys to the kingdom, letting it directly use Google's own tools, like Drive, Docs, and for what we're talking about today, Google Sheets. And yeah, this one little change has basically blown the doors wide open for creating one of the best-selling digital products of all time. And the crazy part, almost nobody is talking about it yet.
So just take a look at this number for a second. $19,458. That is the estimated income per month from a single digital product on Etsy. Not a whole store, okay? Just one product. And believe me, I could have picked an even crazier example.
So, what is this mystery product bringing in all that cash? You ready? It's a spreadsheet. Yep, a good old-fashioned, super useful spreadsheet. And the tool that makes it possible to pump out these amazing, high-value products in just a few minutes? Well, that's that new AI capability I was just telling you about. I mean, until right now, building something like this was a total grind.
Which brings us to what I'm calling the new digital gold rush. There is a massive, and I mean massive, market for these pre-made spreadsheet templates.
This right here, this quote gets to the absolute heart of why this whole thing works so well. The logic is simple, right? A customer has a problem. They need to track their budget or plan their wedding or handle the books for their small business. Sure, they could spend their entire weekend, maybe 18 hours fighting with formulas in Google Sheets, or they could just pay like $15 for a perfect, beautiful solution that's ready to go. You see? They're not just buying a spreadsheet, they're buying back their time and saving themselves a huge headache.
And for you as the seller, well, this was why it's such an amazing side hustle. The business model is just incredible. We're talking 90 to 95% profit margins because, well, there are no physical products costs. Once you build it once, it just keeps selling. It's totally passive income. You don't have to worry about inventory or shipping or any of that mess. And since it's a digital download, customer service is next to nothing and there are no returns. It's pretty much the perfect business model.
And look, this isn't just some theory. The potential is absolutely real. Right here, we've got a simple paycheck tracker pulling in over $5,000 a month. Here's a wedding planner making $3,700 a month. And check this out. This shop here opened just 9 months ago and is already averaging $11,000 a month with only 15 designs. The demand is obviously there. Okay, so you see the opportunity. The big question is, how do I actually do it? Well, let's break it down into a super simple 3-step AI method. This is it. This is the entire game plan right here. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you do a little research to find a winning idea. Second, you use an AI like Claude to actually build the thing. And third, you list it up for sale. Seriously, it's that straightforward. Now, here's the most important part about the research step. Do not try to reinvent the wheel. The smartest strategy is to find a product that's already a bestseller, find just one little thing you can improve on, maybe a better design, an extra feature, and then you recreate it. This takes almost all the risk out of it. You're not just guessing what people might want, you're starting with a proven concept and just making it a little bit better. Okay, now we get to the really exciting part, actually building the product. And I want you to stop thinking of the AI as just a tool. Think of it as your own personal, super smart assistant.
All right, you're going to see this term GWS CLI. And I know it sounds super technical, but don't worry. It stands for Google Workspace Command Line Interface. All you need to know is this. It's like you're giving your AI assistant a special keycard. That keycard lets it walk right into your Google Drive and get to work building the spreadsheet for you. It's just the bridge that connects your instructions to the final product.
So to give your AI that keycard, there is a little one-time setup. You have to install the tool, link it up to your Google account, and set up a quick project. Now, I know, this slide might look a little intimidating, but there are so many easy step-by-step guides out there to walk you through it. And the best part, once you do it, you never have to think about it ever again. So your AI assistant is all set up, it's got its key card, and it's ready to get to work. The obvious question is, now what? How do you tell it what you want it to build? Do you have to be some kind of coding genius? Nope, not at all. The secret ingredient is the prompt. You just have to give the AI a super detailed prompt that explains everything you want. And the best way to do that? Start with a picture. You literally take a screenshot of that best-selling spreadsheet you found during your research, and you give it to the AI as a visual guide to get started. And this is where all that prep work really pays off. Let's watch the magic happen as we go from a simple prompt to a finished product that's ready to sell. I mean, the difference here is it's night and day. The old way was a total nightmare, right? 18 plus hours of pulling your hair out, writing formulas, formatting cells, debugging. The new way? You give your detailed prompt to the AI, and it generates the whole thing for you in just a few minutes. It's absolutely wild. And check out what it can make. This is a complete 50-30-20 budget dashboard. It's got different tabs for the main dashboard, your transactions, and a setup page. It's got dynamic charts that update automatically when you put in new numbers. It's all color-coded. It's totally functional. It's a professional-grade product ready to sell straight from the AI.
And this is where it gets really crazy. You're not just limited to building one at a time. You can actually fire up multiple AI assistants at the same time and create like a digital assembly line. While one is building a budget tracker, another one can be working on a small business profit and loss sheet. You could literally build out an entire product line in one afternoon.
So once you have your amazing product, getting it listed for sale is just as easy. You can use a free tool like Canva to create a really nice-looking mock-up for your listing photo. Then, just ask your AI assistant to write a great title and product description for you. And finally, you just use a simple tool that automatically sends the spreadsheet link to your customer right after they buy it. Done. So all of this leaves us with a pretty big question, right? When an AI can take a simple idea and in just a few minutes turn it into a complex, valuable, and sellable digital product, is this the future of being an online entrepreneur? I mean, what could you create with a tool this powerful? It really makes you think.